Hey look! Isaac's in a video. Since you're back, you should probably explain what you're doing with all those dominoes.
Oh yeah, we're doing a Rube Goldberg machine. Yeah, wasting a bunch of time. Of my time doing this.
So, you want to know how to make brownies?
Of course, yeah!
Well, you're gonna need all of this.
Wait, what?
You're gonna need all of this to make brownies.
That doesn't make any sense.
What do you mean?
I don't know, you're scaring me.
Well,
Like, don't you just
this is the only way to make brownies, Isaac.
Okay,
You should know this.
alright, I guess so.
Since we spent 2.5 hours making this thing, I feel like we should,
I thought you could just,
try it out.
pull it with, just use your hand. Shh. Okay.
Isaac, that's not how it works.
Okay, I'm sorry.
We're gonna use this contraption that I spent 2.5 hours on, and the brownies will go in there. And then we'll make them and we can have brownies. That'll be good.
Cool. I guess so. I mean, honestly, we could just literally...
Shut up!
Okay, I guess we'll shut up, you piece of...
So let's see, some of the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need one really long wooden board, some well-crafted duct tape, this Hot Wheels track, a couple Hot Wheels. It rolls down into this one pipe and a bunch of other scattered stuff, which hits that. You need the wooden board for sure. You also need that pipe and a lot of books. You're gonna need a lot of books. You're gonna need a lot of dominoes too. You can see those over there. And you need those dominoes, and you need even more books, a big binder, a pipe, a hammer, a bunch of paracord, a tripod, and then your box of brownies, of course.
And you need a life.
I'm sorry, Isaac. What did I do to you?
I'm just kidding, Callum.
Look,
But honestly, you need, what you really need is 2 hours to spend your time on this project.
Well, really, I mean, we did that.
Yeah, so, take the video.
Okay. Since I forced Isaac to come here, I'm going to show you some moments where he got tortured while setting this thing up.
What?
Go with it. Alright, Isaac, what you doing?
Damn it. Okay, just be careful. I'm not the best person at the job. Just gotta be smooth.
Your technical skill, like, what is it called?
I gotta be patient.
Fine motor movements. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Stop making fun.
Isaac.
Matt? Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me get back to work and waste 5 minutes on this.
The wild Isaac carefully balances his book.
Stop balancing.
It's actually
It worked.
It's actually a binder.
No!
Never mind, it didn't work.
It is. Whoa! Alright, there it is.
There's a weight that he needs to balance too. That's much more difficult.
Damn it.
Have fun.
No, damn it, no!
Well, time for the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. So after many failed attempts,
Hey, it's early! Woo!
we just made brownies. The end. Alright, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's a bit of a troll, but it's not even April Fool's. So why am I doing a troll? Well, it wasn't meant to be a troll. We were actually trying on the machine, but it just didn't work. But you know what does work? Clicking the subscribe button. You should subscribe, watch some of our other videos, leave a comment, like, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video.